Get ready to get your candy, son. Bubba, pay attention. Look. Bubba, look. She got some. You can go out on the road and get it right there. You don't have, look. Pay attention. Look, she does. You don't gotta get them. You don't gotta get them all at once, Bubba. Hey, if you wait just a second, like if 2 cars are throwing candy, you let 2 throw candy, then pick it up. So you're not. You're doing great though. That's daddy. Look, that's what we need right there, ain't it? Yeah, big old hoopty car.
Here, let me have it. You gotta get more candy.
It's a Cadillac.
Get it, Preston. Slow down.
Bless you.
Pressed it. Okay. Right here.
You better pick up all your candy. They're sucking your candy.
Oh, no, not.
Look, here's sucker. I just seen him, yes. No, that's never mind.
Oh, no, not.